Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. My people from everywhere in the world, thank you from the bottom of my heart to provide me for providing me and the channel eternal support. Thank you for your unquestionable love. Thank you for your insistency, consistency for giving me of coming and checking and sticking around to this channel. Thank you very much. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe and give me some likes. Even though if you don't like the channel, hit the likes button so you can show the entire world that you're a bigger person than what they claim that you are, and that you, even though you don't like a person or like something, you're still capable to provide love to that person. Moving forward, today I'm taking a different approach, but the core is still the same, free. But some ladies have been complaining that I'm always just looking out for educational video, trying to improve the skills of a person, and dealing with NFT and dealing with that. What about women? The beauty is something that we can bring around. Come on. Yeah. So the voice has already arrived to my ear, and I'm responding. Yes, this is for everybody. There is no discrimination. There's not segregation in here. This is actually for everyone. And yes, my lady, you get a little bit of this since you asked for it. L'Oreal Paris received a free sample of Le Color Gloss in Shower Toning Gloss by L'Oreal Paris. You gotta register for your free sample of the Le Color Gloss One Step in Shower Toning Gloss, L'Oreal's first at-home gloss you use in the shower that enhances tone and boost shine. Okay, this is a really cool thing to have. I recommend to every woman out there that is watching and listening to this channel to apply for it. Give it a check. It's for free. It cannot hurt, and it's free. Okay. And for those gentlemen who has such a wife, to give them a surprise. You give them a gift like this, and they'll love you forever. So order it. That they order your free sample. That they don't figure it out what it is. And when they come, oh, look what I brought you, my sweetheart. You like this Apple product? I thought that you could use this, so I bought it to you. You can trick her. Hopefully they don't find out that you were doing this in here for free. Anyways, moving forward. Wow, look at this. It is out of stock. That was the first thing I was gonna tell you. You gotta move fast, because things like these actually is go crazy. Move fast. But again, don't panic. Don't feel bad. Okay? This is temporarily. This is something that they actually gonna update, of course, and you'll be capable to take advantage of this. So you just gotta actually keep coming to the channel, to this video, or to the channel. I'm gonna leave the URL down below, so you can actually check it out periodically until they refill over again and give these special samples to our beautiful ladies of this country and the entire world. Okay. But let's explore more. Le Color Gloss. So this is their first at-home gloss you use in the shower that enhance tone, boost shine, and deeply condition to keep your hair color looking gorgeous and glossy. Available in 8 shades. What is Lip Color Gloss? You know what? Let's do this to learn more, just in case, because I have no idea. No, just kidding. I know what it is. Okay, right here. Newly Colored Gloss by L'Oreal enhances hair color and tone, boost shine, and deeply condition in one step. Hair is left looking unbelievable healthy with a fresh hint of color, suitable for all hair type and textures, color treated or natural hair. How to use it? That's a video. Fortunately, I cannot play it because I'll be subject of copyrights. I'm sorry, but this algorithm, you have no idea. It is bananas. So, how to gloss your hair at home featuring the Lip Color Gloss from L'Oreal Paris. You gotta actually go here, view the magazine article. Another video by Jonathan Colombini. But again, I'm gonna leave the URL down below so you can actually come and settle this for you. Okay? Look at that. Looking good. Anyways. Yes, it's a lot to read from. So I'm gonna actually leave it in here, the URL, so you take advantage of this and come and search it on your own. Yes, it's expired. The request accepts the sample, but the word doesn't end up there. You can always come periodically to check out that they refill over again and go for it. The important thing is that you know. Okay, all right, this is a short video and I didn't want to make it too long, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it up to this point. Remember, the URL of this page is gonna be posted down below to the video description, so you have an idea where to come in case of anything. Okay, all right, if you have any questions regarding this particular product, don't hesitate to write me down. If I can answer, I will answer. Otherwise, you gotta come to this site and figure it out why they are in stock and make your manual order. And hopefully you find what you're looking for. But this out of stock is really temporarily. I believe they're gonna rather refill and put it, but you gotta keep your eyes open. You don't wanna lose this opportunity. All right. Okay, and if you already received it and used it, please let us know how did it go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave it up to this point again. Thank you for reaching FTC4 Production. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me some likes. Don't forget to, spread the word out there about this channel to other people that might be interested with. If you have any concern, please don't hesitate to call me back, to reach me back, and leave your question posted, and when I get a chance, I'm definitely going to respond. This is it. Let me give you some scroll down in here. See, you can try on some samples, and that's why I'm going to leave the URL down below so you can come on your own and check this out and check all this stuff on your own. If there's more things available that you might be interested about, you can give it a try, but we don't do that, and you know that. Okay, see, okay, think this is it. Thank you for reaching FTC4 Production, and have a wonderful day. Bye so much. On to the next video.